guys, this is Rahul from Technoria, and today we are having this Asia Power PowerSound 402 Bluetooth speaker with us for review. So first of all, before unboxing, let's just take around the box. Here are some features. It gives a power output 3 volt. It has got a battery of 600 milliampere charge battery, and it gives you around 3 hours of playback. It do support aux-in, which means you can play music via non-Bluetooth device. And yes, it gives you a playback of 3 hours at 30% volume. So if you increase volume, the playback time will reduce, will go down. Okay, so nothing else in the box, so let's just unbox this. Okay, first of all, you will get your speaker. It's a quite heavy speaker. Yes, it's quite heavy, and we will take it around later, sometime later. First of all, just take a look what else we have in the box. Actually, we have nothing. Oh, there's something. Yes, this is your audio cable to play music via non-Bluetooth devices, and this is your manual, one-page manual to know how to set up and how to use this. And we have something. Yes, we have a micro USB cable to charge this. So let's just keep them aside and take a look at the box or the speaker. So it's a quite heavy speaker, and it comes with a metal body, so this is making it heavy. It has something aluminium or some kind of metal around it, so that's why it's quite heavy. And at top we have our speaker, and here we have our micro USB port to plug in and charge this speaker. Here we have a aux input, which means you can plug in your aux cables to play music via non-Bluetooth device. Asia Power branding over here, and this is your button for volume down and previous track, and this button is for volume up and next track. This is your call and answer button, and here is your microphone. At bottom we have a sliding button for on and off. Let's just turn it on. This is something which we like most in this speaker. It comes with a lighting effect, and these lights runs all across its body, which gives a nice look to this speaker. Light will light up from every corner of the speaker, and this is one thing which we are liking most in this speaker. This blue light effect. And another thing which we are liking on this speaker is that its control are on the sides, which means if you are placing the speaker like this, then you can control the playback and volume and other things right from its sides. In modern 405 speaker, we are seeing that its control were on the bottom, which means each time when you need to control the playback, you have to pick the speaker and turn it around to its rear, and then you will find all playback option or controls were there. But here you can control your playback right from its side, so there is nothing you have to pick it up and turn it around and then control. So it's another feature which we are liking most. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul Sharma signing off.